Hi, it's Debs from Debs Villa Cucina. Are you like us where you just don't do Christmas cookies anymore? We're eating way too much sugar at Christmas time. But this is something that I find that gives us that little bit of a sweet, salty taste, and yet it's not so much sugar. So this is a pound of pecans, and all I did was an egg white with a tablespoon of water, and I beat it up. You could see it was all frothy and everything. And I actually did a little bit less than a cup of sugar with a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of cinnamon. And mix. I'll put it on my foil lined sheet. It's gonna bake at 250 for an hour. But I'm gonna set my timer for every 15 minutes so I can move them around. And it's just a wonderful Christmas treat without having so much sugar.